to show you how you can cover all your software costs through affiliate commissions. Now, what do I mean by this? When you're in the internet marketing game or just the online business realm, it starts to add up, right? It's like, okay, I need my funnel building software done. I need my hosting here done. Like, I need this tool here, or I need Zapier, or I need Zoom, or I need Loom, or I'm trying to think of ActiveCampaign, or I'm trying to think of all the things that I pay for. Anyway, there's a lot of softwares that I use, and sometimes they can add up. So all of a sudden your software costs become, I don't know, hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every single month. And that can get a little bit overwhelming. And I know a lot of people express like, I just feel like I have to like hustle so that I am like always finding clients so that I can make up, like just stay on top of these software costs. And what I want to show you to do is I want to show you how you can use affiliate earnings to cover for all these things. So I want to walk you through my particular situation and how you can apply this to yourself. Okay. So for me, I, as an online business owner, have a lot of softwares. And because of that, they cost a lot of money. So what I have done is I have started selling the softwares that I'm using to other people. If I'm paying, for example, Clickfunnels, I use a software called Clickfunnels every single month. I pay $297 a month for that. I've been doing that for over 3 years. Obviously, I believe in this software. Obviously, I believe in this product. Because I believe in it, I am then able to sell this product off to other people using my affiliate link. Now, right now, I have a 40% affiliate commission rate with them. So what does this mean? When I was an agency, well, I guess I still am, but when I was just only an agency, what I would do is I would offer to build these funnels or websites for people. And then I would say, hey, in order for us to do this though, and for us to design it with the strategy that we need to build it on a software called Clickfunnels. Here's gonna be the cost. And that's just part of the game. Like if you're gonna play the online game, you have to pay software costs. And they say, okay, now rather than just sending them to clickfunnels.com, I would give them my affiliate link. So not only am I getting paid for the funnel work that I'm doing, but they are also when they pay their software costs every month, I'm getting 40% of the cut for that. That's one way, okay? Now that I've introduced educational platforms into my business, honestly, the fastest and easiest way to get commission sales is to teach how to use the software that you're selling as an affiliate even better. So my program, CF Design School, shows people how to use ClickFunnels or any other funnel building software better than they did before in a way that they can visually engineer pages that convert. So people join my program and the first thing that I have them do is say, hey, listen, if you don't already have a ClickFunnels account, then you need to get one. That's the first thing I have them do. So not only have they paid me $997 to get into CF Design School, almost immediately, a large percentage of them are signing up to pay me recurring every single month, 40% of what they're paying ClickFunnels. Does that make sense? So if we look around here, what you can see, like, I mean, this is me from the last 7 days, right? So yeah, like made almost $200 today, $350, $350, $150, $117, $158, $77. This is literally free money, okay? These people are paying the ClickFunnels software, and then I'm getting 40% of what they pay, all because I signed them up either as an agency owner or as a part of my program, okay? Now, what you can see here is we've made some lifetime earnings of $51,000, almost 52 grand, which is amazing. Like, isn't that awesome? Also, I got that much pending. I'm excited to get that, right? But $51,000 for just selling an affiliate for one particular software. You guys, $50,000 is what a lot of people make in a year, and I've been able to make that in just affiliate commissions alone, but not because I'm special, just because you need to understand the strategy of this, right? Like, if you are building on something, you should sell as an affiliate what you're building on, what you believe in, okay? That's principle number one, especially as an agency. If you're doing any work as an agency, always have people sign up through your affiliate link. But the second and the easiest way that I have found to get affiliate commissions is to teach people how to use the software you're selling an affiliate for even better. So anything that you can do to enhance their experience using that software, it's really easy to get them to then sign up for that software as well. And then again, if you could teach them how to use it really well, then they don't drop. Like, they don't stop paying for ClickFunnels. They don't stop paying for these softwares. They keep paying it over and over again. So they might only pay me like a one-time payment for joining CF Design School, but I have people that are still paying me over a year and a half later every single month because I'm getting a portion of what they're paying ClickFunnels. Does that make sense? So if you want to learn, and this is something that you want to do, is stop paying for your particular softwares. What you need to do is start getting into the affiliate game. All the people that you're building funnels for or doing agency work for, you have to sign them up through your affiliate link. And better yet, if you want to explode what you're doing in the affiliate sales realm, then what I want you to do is create some sort of product or service or coaching, or even just a simple video. It doesn't have to be an entire thing, just a simple video that shows people how to use the product better. And I'm telling you, your affiliate sales will go through the roof, and your software costs, they're just not a thing anymore.